As a newborn baby's immune system is not fully developed, it is important to take extra precautions during the winter season to ensure their health and safety. Here are some things to pay attention to. 1. Keep your newborn warm. It is important to dress your newborn in warm clothes, especially when going outside in cold weather. Layering can help retain body heat, so consider dressing your baby in a onesie, covered by a footed sleeper or jumpsuit, and then a hat and warm blankets or a bunting bag for extra warmth. 2. Protect your newborn from the cold. When going outside with your newborn, it is important to keep them covered and away from the cold air as much as possible. Use a carrier or stroller with a weather shield to protect them from the wind, and try to limit the amount of time you spend outside in cold weather. 3. Keep the indoor air moist. Dry indoor air can irritate your newborn's skin and respiratory system. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air and help keep your baby's skin and nasal passages hydrated. 4. Keep your newborn clean. Wash your newborn's hands frequently, especially before they eat, to prevent the spread of cold and flu viruses. Use a mild, fragrance-free soap and warm water. 5. Stay up to date on vaccinations. It is important to keep your newborn's vaccinations up to date to protect them from serious illnesses, such as the flu. Talk to your healthcare provider about the recommended vaccination schedule for your baby. 6. Watch for signs of illness. Keep an eye out for signs that your newborn is not feeling well, such as a fever, difficulty breathing, or prolonged crying. If you notice any of these symptoms, contact your healthcare provider for advice. 7. Practice safe sleep habits. Always place your newborn on their back to sleep to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Keep the room at a comfortable temperature, and use a firm, flat mattress covered by a fitted sheet. Avoid using blankets, pillows, or soft bedding in your newborn's sleep area. 8. Feed your newborn frequently. Newborns have small stomachs and need to eat frequently to maintain their energy and growth. Breast milk or formula is the main source of nutrition for your newborn, and it is important to feed them on demand. 9. Keep your newborn hydrated. It is important to ensure that your newborn is getting enough fluids, especially during the winter when the air is dry. Offer your baby breast milk or formula frequently, and talk to your healthcare provider about how much your newborn should be drinking. 10. Keep your newborn's skin moisturized. Dry, cold winter air can be harsh on your newborn's skin, leading to dryness and irritation. Use a gentle, fragrance-free lotion or oil to moisturize your baby's skin and protect it from the elements. 11. Keep your home well ventilated. Proper ventilation can help prevent the buildup of indoor air pollutants, which can be harmful to your newborn's developing respiratory system. Open windows or use an air purifier to help keep the air in your home fresh. 12. Wash your hands often. It is important to frequently wash your hands to reduce the risk of spreading illness to your newborn. Use soap and warm water, and scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. 13. Avoid exposing your newborn to tobacco smoke. Secondhand smoke can be harmful to your newborn, increasing their risk of respiratory infections and other health problems. If you or someone in your home smokes, it is important to keep your newborn away from the smoke. 14. Keep your newborn's nails trimmed. Long nails can scratch your newborn's delicate skin, causing irritation and infection. Use a baby nail trimmer or file to keep your newborn's nails trimmed and smooth. 15. Consider using a nasal aspirator. If your newborn has a stuffy nose, a nasal aspirator can help clear their nasal passages and make it easier for them to breathe. Use a bulb aspirator or a saline nasal spray to help loosen mucus and clear the nasal passages. 16. Keep your newborn's face clean. It is important to keep your newborn's face clean to prevent irritation and infection. Use a soft, damp cloth to gently wipe their face, and be sure to clean around the nose and mouth. 17. Avoid using lotions or oils near your newborn's face. Some lotions and oils can be irritating to your newborn's skin and eyes. If you need to use a moisturizer on your newborn's face, be sure to choose a hypoallergenic, fragrance-free product. 18. Use a thermometer to check your newborn's temperature. If your newborn is feeling warm to the touch or has a fever, it is important to check their temperature to determine the cause. Use a rectal thermometer for newborns, as it is the most accurate way to measure their temperature. 19. Keep your newborn's environment clean. To reduce the risk of illness, it is important to keep your newborn's environment clean. Wash their clothes, bedding, and toys frequently, and wipe down surfaces with a disinfectant to kill germs. 20. Create a safe sleep environment. It is important to create a safe sleep environment for your newborn to reduce the risk of SIDS and other sleep-related dangers. Keep the room at a comfortable temperature, and avoid placing your newborn on soft surfaces or near loose bedding or pillows. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your newborn stays healthy and happy during the winter season. If you have any concerns about your newborn's health, be sure to contact your healthcare provider for advice.